Well, hi folks, just going to come up to my Polytunnel now, do a bit of fettling, because I'm going to have to recover it. I've got all my, can't really see, all my stuff in here to do it. Now I'm just walking up to it after Storm Cara or Kiara, and I'll swing around in a minute and just show you the state of it. And I'm just going to have to say, oops, I'll just switch it around. And there we go. Oops. It's gone. Oh no, look at that. So, we're going to put a new cover on, obviously. So what I'm going to do today, I'm just going to start doing things. It's absolutely freezing. But I think as the sun comes out for the first time, I'm just going to take my doors off, chop some of this polythene off, just see what state the frame's in and the timber bits. I'll be doing these videos in a series because obviously it could be weeks and months before I get the cover on. Because I've got to trench it out, dig all the trenches back out, which is a task I'm not looking forward to. Move everything, move all the water butts. It's probably blowing in the thing. But anyway, yeah, we'll get on and we'll start. So I suppose I better start by just getting rid of some of this polythene. I'm going to unscrew all the doors and things. I don't know what state the wood's in. I've actually come tooled up today with a decent if I don't have to change my wood. I've put all that much rubbish on it over the years. It's going to take longer to take it to bits. I think it's time for the bit of impact technology. This was me rat proofing, if you remember, so I'll put that back up again because I'm still going to get rats. God, it's so cold, my fingers already. I might not be up here so long today. It's absolutely bloody bitter. It's 2 degrees, it said in the car, and it's blowing about a 20-mile-an-hour wind, so. Oh lovely, we've got a combination of flat-headed screws and the other sort. When you can't feel your fingers, it's not the greatest thing to be doing. Who invented flat-headed screws? Impossible to take out. Snap me bit off, look at that. Can't believe it, sun's come out. There's no way of getting these screws out. Should have brought a bigger bar. Jesus. That's that one off. So finally, after much faffing, I've managed to get this other hinge off. So that's the first door off. Just check out this wood, see what sort of nick it's in. To be honest, looks alright, but what it's like at the bottom, that's where it's going to rot. Looks solid, so actually I can, oh look at those starlings. Keep this wood, it's a bonus, so that means I don't have to faff around digging it out and concreting another post in. Now I can kick the shit out of this. Polytunnel without having to walk over a barrier. Yeah, that one's definitely had it. But that's solid. And that's solid, so look, it's only the middle one I need to replace. So that's a good job. So I've just about got another one off, just a bit. There we go. So that's 2 doors. So now start looking a bit tinier. So get this off, check this wood, take all this rubbish off. First time in ages, we've got to get in and out. That's taken about an hour and a half just to do that because it's such a faff, knackered old screws. And, oh dear. But we'll get there eventually. We'll get there. I think what I'll do now, I'll just take this polythene off, tidy it up a bit, and then we'll see what it looks like. Well, alright then folks, that's about all I'm doing today because I've just been having loads of hailstorms. But I've got one end sorted out, well, sort of stripped off just so I could see what the wood's like. And thankfully, it's all pretty solid. Even down to the bottom, which is the main thing, so I've no major construction to do. So I'll do that other end sometime. I need to get in there with a machete, chop all that wildlife back. And likewise up at the other end, I need to drain all these water butts, which I'm doing now slowly so I can get in here. But like I said, I need to chop all that back. Then we'll do this end. I won't film that because it's a saver. Then I'll start filming, doing another video of when I start digging it in. Sorry, digging out the ditches. Don't know how easy or difficult that'll be. I've left some polythene in there, so hopefully there'll be soil sort of underneath that, so that might help me dig it out again. But other than that, we've made a start anyway. It's freezing cold. I've had enough today. Hailstorms are coming and I've nowhere to shelter. But anyway, that's it folks. Crap video, not very interesting at all, but it's just showing you what I do. I don't know what I'm doing now. I've forgotten it's 20 years since I put my polytunnel up. Right, that's about it folks. See you later.